Yo, what's going guys? This is Tekkens Tech Bacons, and today I'm going to bring you guys a quick hands-on review of the VIVO Y33s. And before that, special thanks to MG Distribution for making this all possible. So, for just under 1,000 ringgit, what can you get out from this phone? Without further ado, let's get right into it. Starting out with the unboxing, you'll get the phone itself, some usual manual booklets, a SIM ejection tool, a gel-style casing for your phone with razor protection for your screen and camera module, a pair of VIVO headphones, a USB-A to USB Type-C charging cable, and an 18-watt charging brick. I got the Midday Dream color, and for its price point, you are getting a plastic built phone, but it is well built and feels quite solid on hands. The phone packs a large 5000 mAh battery which can last you through the day with ease. But the phone itself is still quite light and weighs around 182 grams. The back of the phone is matte finish and color changes when light refracts on different angles, which look quite nice. You got a side fingerprint sensor and a volume rockers on the side, a dual SIM/micro SD card slot on top, and on the bottom, a 3.5mm headphone jack, a Type-C charging port, and a single firing speaker. And here are some sound samples from the speaker. As for the screen, you got a 60Hz 6.58-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display on deck. Although you are not getting the same performance of an AMOLED display, but colors on the screen is great and quite accurate. When viewing content, the screen is still enjoyable, and under sunlight, the screen is still quite visible. Now, under the hood, this phone packs a MediaTek Helio G80 processor. And pairing it with the extension RAM feature in this phone, you are getting a whopping 12GB RAM on this phone. This ensures your app will stay active on background and opens up instantly whenever you need it. This phone will handle day-to-day tasks with no problem, but on gaming side, you may need to lower some settings to get a smooth gameplay experience. Here are some gameplay from Mobile Legends, PUBG, and COD Mobile. As for Genshin Impact, you need to set your graphics to the lowest setting for a stable 30 frames per second experience. Finally, for the camera setup, you're getting a 50 megapixel main camera. Photo is not bad for a mid-tier phone, and here are some photo samples for you guys. Surprisingly, low light shots coming out from this phone is quite clean when night mode is enabled. There's also a fixed focus 2 megapixel macro camera which can take close-up shots. And as for the front-facing camera, you got yourself a 16 megapixel shooter, and selfies turn out quite sharp and nice. So, to wrap things up, for just under 1,000 ringgit Malaysia, you're getting a nice looking phone that could last you through a day with ease, and it has a quite capable camera for this price range. And currently, MG Distribution is doing a big promotion for this month, and a lot of free gifts is awaiting you all. So, if you guys are interested in this phone and wanting to get it on a promotional price, I'll leave the link in the description below. And thank you guys for watching this quick hands-on review of the VIVO Y33s. It really means a lot to me. And if you guys are interested in this type of content, please do consider subscribing, as there is more tech and gadget reviews coming up on this channel. Lastly, I'll see you guys on the next one.